Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 18th of October, 2024, our system has identified Microsoft as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.79. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will keep monitoring this evaluation to see how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock is currently fluctuating within a broad and horizontal trend, and further movements within this range can be anticipated. Analyzing the 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 0.4% over the upcoming 3 months, with a potential return fluctuating between -4.76% and +5.48%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of 17.47% over the next 12 months, with a possible return ranging from 12.12% to 37.37%. This implies a price range of between $468.84 to $574.44 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Microsoft presents the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for Microsoft as Stock Downgraded to Sell Candidate. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, Microsoft's stock price increased by approximately 0.346%, moving from $416.72 to $418.16. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 0.81%, with a low of $416.26 and a high of $419.65. The price has shown an upward trend, rising in 6 of the last 10 days and gaining about 0.5% over the past 2 weeks. Furthermore, trading volume increased on that day alongside the price, suggesting a positive technical indicator. In total, 1 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, resulting in a total of 16 million shares exchanged for approximately $6.62 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $468.35, while the lowest was $324.42. Currently, the stock price is 10.72% or $50.19 below the 52-week high of $468.35, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft continues to attract attention as it navigates ongoing developments in artificial intelligence and its partnership with OpenAI. This uncertainty could lead to short-term volatility as investors weigh the implications for growth. Despite the current challenges, analysts express optimism about Microsoft's AI-driven future. The company's strength in this sector is expected to drive stock recovery following a less than stellar year in 2024. As major tech firms like Google and Amazon also pivot towards nuclear energy, Microsoft's strategic moves could position it favorably in an increasingly competitive landscape. As Microsoft approaches its upcoming earnings report at the end of the month, many investors regard it as a safer bet compared to its peers, particularly Alphabet. This suggests a potentially positive long-term outlook, especially if earnings exceed expectations. Innovations and partnerships in artificial intelligence could enhance Microsoft's market position, reflecting strong resilience and ultimately supporting its stock price over the next few years. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Microsoft a rating of underperform with a recommendation to hold. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned Microsoft a rating of buy with a recommendation to hold. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Microsoft a rating of overweight with a recommendation to hold. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Microsoft a rating of overweight with a recommendation to hold. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned Microsoft a rating of buy with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock an overall buy rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and evaluate the price-to-book ratio similarly as a strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have rated the stock with a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 7th of October, 2024, and so far, it has risen by 2.1%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near-term development. The Microsoft stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Simultaneously, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. As the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a more negative forecast for the stock. Should there be further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $421. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $417.29. A breakthrough above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall indication. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. The pivots suggest a buy signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal from 22 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 11 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart, we note the following. The short moving average presents a sell signal from 15 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 51 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $417.11. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered quite low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $3.39 between its high and low, which translates to 0.81%. In the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 1.44%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Microsoft, let's briefly review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This essential metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is fairly typical, often observed in companies with established histories or stable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 30th of October, 2024. Analyst consensus estimates are at $3.08. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $418.35. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $417.11. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 16th of September, 2024, Numoto Takeshi conducted an insider purchase of 8,511 shares of common stock. On the same day, young Christopher David conducted an insider purchase of 8,990 shares of common stock. Also on that day, Smith Bradford L. conducted an insider purchase of 23,374 shares of common stock. Similarly, Hood Amy conducted an insider purchase of 23,374 shares of common stock. Lastly, on the 16th of September, 2024, Hogan Kathleen T. conducted an insider purchase of 7,912 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 6.684. Overall, insiders have purchased 543,109 shares and sold 488,476 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Currently, Microsoft displays several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a hold or accumulate position to a sell recommendation. After examining the volatility and trading movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of October, we anticipate Microsoft to open lower by 13.7 cents, starting at $418.02. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Please do not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.